They came, they saw, they cheered. The Midwest U.S. city of St. Louis is as close to a home match as the Bosnian team can find on the road. Legions of fans sported the team's colors and cheered on their team in a World Cup warm-up against Ivory Coast.
We're in Bosnia right now.
We're in Bosnia right now.
Bosnia, Sarajevo right now. The Olympic Stadium.
Yes, that's right.
There you go.
This literally was home for striker Vedad Ibišević, whose family moved to St. Louis when he was a teen. He even practiced this week at St. Louis University, the school he played for a decade ago. He says the community comes out for football.
Our people gather and support us, and it's just an amazing feeling and gives us definitely more force to play.
Little Bosnia, as it's known, is where many of the estimated 70,000 Bosnians in St. Louis live. Most settled here from the mid-1990s on, when their country was devastated by war. And their restaurants and businesses show their allegiances. The city's Bosnian population has surged even further for the game.
There's Bosnians coming from Chicago, there's Illinois, there's Bosnians coming from Sacramento, California, out from Toronto, Canada, even Jacksonville, Florida, just coming up, flying to see their team. So I think it's a great showing.
At the game, that Bosnian pride was in full force. A 2-1 win thrilled fans and left Bosnians united in hopes of continued success in Brazil.